Hey you guys, how are you all doing today? I hope you all is doing fine. I hope your day is going awesome. But hey, let's get into this video. As you can see, me and James is getting ready to make the Taco Bell grilled stuffed burrito at home. Yes, homemade. You could do this at your house. And we just preparing. We getting the flour tortillas. We getting the ground beef. We getting the lettuce, the tomatoes, the cheese, the sour cream. Yes, all of that is going to be stuffed into this burrito and we're going to grill it. So just sit back and relax and watch what we do because yes, you can make this at home. Here goes the steps. Boom, baby! I'm using mozzarella. I want that cheese pull. Mozzarella, Ella, eh, 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 eh. Y'all, my thing not gonna be able to close. Eh, 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 eh. Oh, I forgot we supposed. I don't know we gonna do that. We supposed to make the. Yeah, I put too much stuff. I'm gone to the oven. You got to sit here and wait till I finish. Because I'm done. Oh, yeah, turn it up. But I was going to say that for... Hey, yeah, because it's side. Hey, Michael Jackson. Hey, City Slicker. I'm waiting for the grill to warm up, baby. I finished mine first. Look at all that filthy looking stuff. Okay, y'all.
What's up, Mike?
I'm trying to wait till that gets hot. Make sure y'all thumbs it up, y'all. We got to put this on the griddle, baby. I couldn't fold mine like I put too much stuff in it like always. Hey, Infinity. Okay, y'all, it's heating up.
You already know.
How?
Because that's not even wrapped.
What is it called?
Grilled stuffed burrito.
Hey, you ain't saying nothing but a word, huh?
What's up, Jess? You from London?
Okay, y'all, baby, I got mine on the grill because I was the first one finished. And, baby, if you like what you see here, do you feel the vibe and the energy of 35 years? If you like it, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you thumbs up this live. We go live with, tell them what we do.
We go live every Saturday and Sunday. Sunday, soul food, tutorial, and Saturday is fun, family, and food. And what we do on Saturdays, we do challenges. We challenge each other in cooking challenges. Now, the chat picked grilled stuffed burrito. So she got it on the griddle right now. She, I don't know what she's doing to it.
Let me show y'all. I can show y'all. Y'all want to see? Do y'all really want to see what my grilled burrito is doing? Let's take a look. Y'all hear the sizzling sound? That means it's griddling. It's griddling up. Don't that look good so far? That's what my what is called? Grilled burrito. Make sure y'all thumbs.
Oh, you talking about what you just looked at on the griddle?
Yes,
yeah. I guess that's supposed to be a burrito.
Who said that?
Puppy dog.
Puppy dog, what are you talking about? That was my griddle what? Griddle burrito. What is that?
Grilled stuffed burrito.
Oh, grilled stuffed burrito. Let me tell y'all how I made it.
You ain't supposed to cook it.
Let me tell y'all how I made my burrito. I pulled out a large tortilla and I stuffed it with ground beef, seasoned ground beef.
What's all that for?
He could just only ask for a kiss. He told me I'm doing that, then laid it out.
You burning it. What? Ooh.
Serving up, grilled stuff. Hurry, because that thing burning. Grilled, something burning.
I told you that earlier. You don't burn up.
Grilled stuffed burrito. Who ordered it? Here you go. Who let put it on stop? J1. It's J1713.
That's Jonas.
Oh, hey, John, how you doing? Welcome to 1K. Cooking with 1K. Yeah, here go my stuffed burrito. Ooh, it's hot. Go over there and take care of your business over there. Cha-cha, you want it? Here you go, sweetie. You the only one that said you want it. Here you go. Take it. Let's cut it. Hopefully have a cheese pull. Let's cut it. No, it don't. What happened to the cheese? Why ain't it get no? Oh, look! Woo! Mmm. There you go. There you go, baby. Taco Bell don't got nothing on me, honey. And if you want a little sour cream, I be all like, I want a little sour cream. James cooking his on the griddle. His look all pale looking. And it's smoking over there. We might have to turn that fan on. Is it smoky in this house?
Yeah, you burnt it. You burned that.
But I see smoke coming from your grill. Hey. Woo, Lord, it's hot.
All right, grilled stuffed burrito.
Woo. Yeah, if y'all hear a little humming noise, that's that's the fan. Get some of that smoke out here. James, huh? James the burnt up stuff. You want some, Anna? You know you got some, girl. There you go. Now, James, you want to do your cut? Yeah. Woo. Oh, dang! You move mine out the way like that for?
You ain't got to look.
Okay, so let's try it. Let's try. Why the cheese not melted?
It is milk.
No, it's not. Look, it look like bread.
Mm.
Mmm. Mmm. Okay.
That's right, J-Pay.
Thank you, FedEx.
Nah, she lost this one.
JP, that's supposed to be my hat. I let him wear it. I wore it last week.
Oh, yeah. You lost that.
Got cheese pull.
No, grilled stuffed burrito was better than Taco Bell.
Yeah, but which one you pick? Mine's or yours?
Mine.
Why?
Because yours don't look like a burrito, like a brick.
Oh, so you going by how it look?
Yeah. Now, if you went to Taco Bell and they gave you that, what would you say?
Just complain still ain't your
It
average.
looked like a block of gold.
I like mine because you taste the meat and the cheese. James was good because I taste the lettuce and tomatoes, and I love the vegetables.
So you don't taste the meat.
Mm-mm.